I,
Lauren Legarda,
having been elected Senate President Pro Temp,
Senate
Correct.
President pro tempore,
do hereby solemnly swear
do hereby solemnly swear
that I will well and faithfully discharge,
that I will well and faithfully discharge,
to the best of my ability,
to the best of my ability,
the duties of my present position
the duties of my present position,
and of all others
and of all others
I may hereafter hold
I may hereafter hold
under the Republic of the Philippines.
under the Republic of the Philippines,
That I will support and defend
that I will support and defend
the Constitution of the
the
Philippines.
Constitution of the Philippines.
I will obey the laws,
I will obey the laws,
legal orders,
legal orders,
and decrees
and decrees
promulgated by
promulgated by
the duly constituted authorities,
the duly constituted authorities,
and maintain true faith and allegiance
and maintain true faith and allegiance
to the Republic of the Philippines,
to the Republic of the Philippines,
and that I impose this obligation
and that I impose this obligation
upon myself voluntarily,
upon myself voluntarily,
without mental reservation
without
or
mental
purpose of evasion.
reservation or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.